Hi guys, welcome over to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to decorate your space for fall. So if you want to see how I decorate my kitchen and dining room for fall, stay tuned. I'm also going to show you how to put together an easy dining table for fall that's inviting and cozy for your family. I love to create beautiful table settings for any seasons in the year, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to put together a beautiful and cozy fall table setting for your family and your loved ones. This table runner I made using dollar store items. I just took a Dollarama table runner and I hot glued these fall leaves that I also got in a pack at the dollar store, and I used 4 packs for this project. These pumpkins here I got at Walmart. I think they were super inexpensive for the height and the gorgeous texture to them, so I'm going to put a few of these on my table as well. I'm also going to place few DIY projects that I also did for my table setting, and you're going to see the centerpiece that I'm going to put in the center of the table is a very small floral arrangement that I did using dollar store items. I really love the colors. I wanted to put bright colors on my table this year instead of doing very light and neutral colors. These charger plates I got from the Dollar Tree. They're super gorgeous and they have this wood-like texture to them, and I thought it was perfect for my table. And now because we are only 4, I'm just gonna do a 4 setting for my table, but definitely you can just do the same and put for 6. Now the dining ware that I'm using is one that I always use and is from this store called Think Kitchen, and it was so inexpensive. I was able to get the full setting for $29.99, which was a bargain deal. If I can find the exact same one, I'll leave a link in the description down below. But I'm just simply placing some plates, and then you're going to see me place the cutlery after. Before placing the cutlery down, I just wanted to do something fun, and I took this burlap roll that I got from the dollar store, and I'm just cutting a few pieces to place on top of the plates, and then I'll be placing the cutleries on top. I think it ties in with that rustic look that I wanted to go for this table setting, and I really love the addition. Instead of putting a napkin like we always tend to do, I wanted to switch up and use something different. So here I'm just placing some more pumpkins and pine cones that I also got at Walmart. I found these while I was thrifting a while back, and I thought I wanted to use this for my centerpiece or my table setting and use them as candle holders. So that's what I'm going to do here, and I'm going to just use some long candles that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to melt some wax, and then I'm just going to glue or stick the candle right into them. I then placed some glass that I got from IKEA. I love the green color against the rest of the colors here, and I'm placing these candle holders from Dollar Tree as well as some more candles. I love candles. I think it's such an easy way to put everything together and to make everything so much more welcoming and cozy. So you guys, this is our table for fall this year. I hope you enjoyed this table setting and how easy and inexpensive it was. Please leave my video a thumbs up if you enjoyed and if you liked this table setting. I'm going to show you quickly how I decorate my dining area. So this table right here, I made it using a wood slab, and I just attached those legs, the hairpin legs underneath. I think it's such a beautiful addition to my dining room, and I love decorating this table. So this tier tray is a tier tray that I made for a Look for Less challenge. I'll leave that video in the description down below, as well as this DIY project that I made. So I'm just going to apply some small items that I made just to incorporate that to my decor and to be able to reuse the DIY projects that I did around the season. So here again, I'm adding some more of those pumpkins that I got from Walmart, and this is the final look of my dining space. I love all the little touches that I did here. Thank you so much everyone for watching and being part of the DIY Residence. A few weeks back, I found this gorgeous antique scale or kitchen scale at Facebook Marketplace, and I knew exactly that I wanted that piece for my kitchen so that I could use it year-round and just put gorgeous seasonal items around it. I think it looks super cute. And again, I have some more Walmart pumpkins that I'm gonna use for my kitchen so that I can tie in everything with my dining space as well to make everything a cohesive place. On the other side of the stove, on the counter top at the corner there, I'm going to place that little galvanized or big galvanized tray that I got at the local dollar store here. And I'm going to place on top these terracotta containers that I got while I was thrift shopping. I love them and I fell in love right away. I wanted to get them for my kitchen. And one of them has wooden spoons. And the other one has a rolling pin there, and I'm just placing some more items in that little galvanized or the big galvanized tray so that I can tie in the space without making everything too crowded, and beautiful but practical as well. So as you can tell, I love candles, so I'm gonna add candles almost everywhere and a few in my kitchen as well. Something that I love to do is to switch the regular dish soap bottles and to just fill it in some gorgeous or beautiful bottles, and that's what I like to do around my sink. And now I'm just placing one more candle here on the stove top just to bring in that fresh smell and to give this place a coziness. Another easy hack for your kitchen is just to change the dish towels every season to match with the decor. I think it's such an easy and inexpensive way to put that beautiful touch to your kitchen. Here I'm just placing this wooden riser that I got from Winners. I think it's super cute and I enjoy using this in my kitchen, and I change the decor every season and that goes on top of it. So here I'm just adding some neutral colors and some fall pieces just to tie in this side of my kitchen as well. Like I said before, I don't want to crowd too much my counter space, but I really want to make it gorgeous and pleasant to look as well. With those little touches of fall, now my kitchen is all welcoming and ready for fall with the beautiful colors that it has to give us. So here's how my kitchen looks for this year. I hope you guys enjoyed the small changes that I made and the small additions that I added to my kitchen just to tie in everything and to bring in that fall season. I love how cozy all of the colors are in my kitchen this year. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave my video a thumbs up, and this will be the last fall video for this year, so make sure you click on the playlist so that you don't miss the whole bunch of videos that I made for this fall. I'll be uploading tons of inspirational videos and DIY projects for Christmas soon on my channel, so make sure you stick around. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.